home inspection is vital in identifying potential issues when investing in a home. It offers an unbiased assessment of the property structure and systems, uncovering possible concerns like faulty wiring, drainage problems, roof damage, and structural issues. A thorough home inspection brings clarity and empowers buyers and sellers to make informed decisions. Some options buyers can consider after an unsettling home inspection report include renegotiating the price, requesting repairs, or canceling the purchase contract. Sellers also have choices when faced with a troubling home inspection report. They can perform repairs, adjust the asking price, or sell as is. Buyers and sellers can make informed decisions on how to navigate the real estate transaction. Facing complex issues during your home inspection? Seek expert guidance from our seasoned home inspectors. Our team specializes in guiding our clients and ensuring confidence and ease throughout the journey. Don't let hidden defects catch you off guard. Contact us and schedule your trusted home inspection today.